Aabante na sa 2024 NBA Finals ang Boston Celtics. Kasunod ng kanilang 105-102 victory kontra sa Indiana Pacers ngayong Martes at masweep ang Eastern Conference Finals. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Magbabalik sa NBA Finals ang Boston Celtics matapos ang kanilang 105-102 na panalo sa Game 4 ngayong Martes upang masweep ang Indiana Pacers sa Eastern Conference Finals. Kagaya ng naging kwento sa mga naunang laro, nakalamang pa ang Pacers sa fourth quarter pero palaging nagagawang makabalik ng Celtics para maipanalo ang laro. Dahil sa maigpit na depensa ng Celtics, hindi na nakapuntos pa ang Pacers sa uling 3 minuto ng final frame para manatiling tabla ang laban hanggang sa dulo. Pagtungtong ng nalalabing 50 segundo ng Game 4, naipukol ni Derrick White ang isang clutch corner 3 para tuluyang maseliwa ng Celtics ang kanilang pwesto sa NBA Finals. Muling nanguna para sa Celtics ang Eastern Conference Finals most valuable player na si Jaylen Brown na nakapagtala ng 29.6 rebounds at 2 assists. Ayon kay Brown, naging malaking tulong ang experience para maging matagumpay ang kanilang playoff run ngayong taon.
We feel like we're a different team than we were last year and the year before that. I know everybody wants to continue to kind of pigeonhole us to what was happened in the past, but we've had a different team every single year, different coaches. We've had like 3 coaches in the last 5 years. Time has gone by, experience has been gained, and I think we are ready to put our best foot forward.
Samantala, nakapag-ambag naman si Jason Tatum ng double-double 26 markers at 13 boards na dinagdagan pa ng 8 dimes. Para naman kay Tatum, nasasabik na sila na makabalik sa finals matapos ang kanilang conference finals exit noong nakaraang season.
It's special, right? Even though we've been there before, most of us have. You don't take it for granted, right? We were excited. It's a hell of a team we just played. They made us earn every single game, and we're extremely grateful to move on to the finals.
Bukas naman ang Game 4 ng Western Conference Finals kung saan malalaman kung tatapusin na rin ba ng Dallas Mavericks ang serye o magbabalik pa sa home court ng Minnesota Timberwolves para sa Game 5. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.